Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai presenting to you the Salesian news across the globe. The national meeting of the principals of the 4 SDB and FMA provinces of Mexico took place on 30th and 31st August at the Angela Segovia de Serrano Salesian School located in the municipality of Tlalnepantla de Bas, state of Mexico. Now in its 9th edition and convened by the National Salesian Educational Teams, the meeting included 3 main conferences: Salesian Educational Leadership by Father Alejandro Rodriguez, SDB, The Challenges of the Salesian School by Father Hugo Herrera Rosales, SDB, and Youth Reality by Dr. Maria Dolores Granados Martinez. The principals of more than 30 schools at this meeting, including religious and lay people, reflected and shared on the educational mission entrusted to each work in the regional diversity that characterizes Mexico and completed the formation event with 6 different workshops. At the end of the meeting, agreements were made to put into practice what was learned during the days. 300 young people from all Salesian presences in the Salesian Vice Province of Southern Africa, AFM, comprising South Africa, Lesotho and Eswatini, accompanied by Salesians, educators, consecrated members of the Salesian family, staff of the projects and youth ministry office, had a wonderful experience at the Ubuntu Youth Synod from 29th of August to 1st of September. Only 2 weeks after the closing of the Youth Synod in Turin, Bosco, with participants from all over the Salesian world, the young Salesians from AFM also experienced a similar event in their environment. This event was also a merger of the Laudato Si movement thanks to the ongoing AFM Eco Ubuntu project 2023-26 in all 3 AFM countries. The various group workshops also included interactive sessions on green and environmental skills with university lectures. The Salesians from the province of Wrocław, Poland, PLO, from 23rd to 26th August held the non-stop Bosco 2024 festival, in which about 300 people participated. 4 days full of music, community, prayer and acquisition of skills during the workshops chosen by young people from modeling, dance, crafts, chess and many others. Among the various music groups that performed during the days, the SDB band with Father Bart Somech, Pulaski Superior of the PLO province on the accordion, Father Pierre Lorek, PLO Vice Provincial on the guitar, and Father Miko Wizalek, Delegate for Youth Ministry on the cello, created a striking atmosphere through their performances. Among the events was one of the Bishop Makej Malgia, Auxiliary Bishop of the Archdiocese of Wrocław, who met with young people by establishing a careful dialogue with them, a panel on addictions, in particular involving smartphones. The 3rd day of the International Congress of Merry Help of Christians was marked by moments of intense spirituality, the sharing of impactful testimonies and artistic expressions that moved the participants. A highlight was the recitation of the Rosary and the candlelight procession presided over by Bishop Maxim Ryabuka, Auxiliary Bishop of Donetsk, Ukraine. The morning of the 3rd day of the International Congress of Merry Help of Christians began with the Eucharist in various languages. In the Paul VI Center, the first conference of the day was given by Father J. Bortolom, a Salesian priest with a degree in theology and a doctorate in sacred scripture. Father Alfred Maravilla, General Counselor for the Missions, has been on an animation visit to Senegal from 28 August to 1st September. During his visit, he spent time at the communities of Thies and Dakar, was able to preside at the Eucharist in the 2 Salesian parishes and meet with the parish pastoral councils and some members of the educative and pastoral communities. In addition, he also had the opportunity to greet the members of the Association of Merry Help of Christians in the Northwest Africa Province, AON, who were holding their first provincial congress in Rufus, about 30 kilometers from Dakar. So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.